guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look here. It's really fun. It's actually really simple and it has a nice pop of color in it. I created this look yesterday when I was out running errands and things, and I liked it so much that I thought I would film a video on it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So excited to film today's video. It has been so long since I sat down and actually filmed a tutorial, so let's just jump into it. I'm gonna first start off by priming my skin, and to prime my skin I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my fingers, warm it up, and press it into the skin. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in number 705 and the Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation in Peruvian Lily 10. And I'm going to blend that into the skin with a dampened beauty blender. That is a good shade match. I've been finding that lately my skin has been looking oranger than I want it to look, so I've been trying to lighten up my foundation and go in with a lighter hand as well. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light, and I'm going to just conceal under my eyes. And to set the concealer down, I'm going to go in, this is the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Translucent. I'm going to just take a little bit of that in the back of the cap, and I'm going to gently set my under eye and my eyelids that have a little bit of concealer on them to get us ready for eyeshadow. I did drag some of that setting powder down into my smile lines and around my nose where I can get really cakey pretty quickly, and I can also get some creasing. I'm then going to set the rest of my face using a big fluffy powder brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of this Colourpop translucent powder to do so. And now that the whole face is very lightly set down, I'm going to go in and bronze. And to bronze, of course, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the light version, and I'm going to use that to bring some color back into my face. Carve out my bronzer a little bit with my beauty blender, and I'm going to go in with this. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Press Powder. I'm just going to use this very lightly just to carve out the bronzer a little bit and clean it up. While that's on there, I'm going to add some blush. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush in That Peach Though, and I'm going to just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And while we we are baking just a little bit, I am going to pop off camera and I'm going to put it on my brows and I'll be right back. Eyebrows are on and I zoomed you guys in. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown to pencil in my eyebrows and of course set that down with hairspray and a spoolie, you know, the usual. So now that the eyebrows are on, and actually my eyebrows look really good today. I don't know what I did differently, but I wish they would look nice every day. And they don't. So I'm going to be using two different palettes today on my eyes. I actually created this look yesterday and I really liked it, so I thought I would recreate it today. It's very easy, but I do use two different palettes. I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe Artistry palette, and I'm also going to be using the Colourpop Cosmetics and Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. There's just a couple of different colors that I mixed together in here to create the look. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the Kathleen Lights Colourpop Cosmetics Dream Street palette. So I'm first going to be going in with this orangey shade here. It's a really nice transition color, and that color is called Magical, and I'm going to blow that pretty much all over my eye and focus it in the crease. I'm going to go in with the Sedona Lace ED13 brush. I forgot to wipe off my bake. It's so light that you can't really see it. We'll pretend that didn't happen. Now that that color is all over the lid, I'm going to be going in with the color here, which is this really nice transition light brown shade. This is the color Shooting Star, and again, I'm going to place that in the crease area and really just blow it out all over the eyelid. I'm also going to drag that color down on the lower lash line. Once that's all blown out the way that you want it to, I'm going to slowly start to take that color Shooting Star, which is the nice brown transition shade. Well, it's a really light tan color. And I'm going to slowly start to pack that on the outer V and the inner V because we're going to put some color in the middle. Now that that's on there, I'm going to jump into the James Charles palette, and we're going to come back to this Dream Street palette. I'm going to use two other colors from this, but I'm going to pop into the Morphe and James Charles Artistry palette, and I'm really going to deepen up the look now and try to add a little bit more dimension to it. So in order to do so, I'm going to use a couple of different colors, and I'm really just going to throw them on there and blow them out there. So I'm going to go in with this rusty brown color, and this color is called 10% Off. And I'm going to put that in the outer V area, into the crease a little bit, and as well as in the inner V part of the eye. And then I'm going to go in with the color Tea, which is literally just a tea colored brown. And I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to use that to precisely apply color. So again, we're just deepening up the brown shades on the outer and the inner V's of the eye. now that the eyes are very, very smoky and very, very warm, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a pop of blue in the center of the eye. So we're doing a little bit of a halo eye look. I'm going to be going in with the color Hello, which is this really nice duochromy, sparkly aqua blue color. I'm going to pop that on the very center of the eye, and then I'm going to diffuse it out going in with a shade from the Dream Street palette. And I'm going to go in using the color Kaleidoscope, which is a silvery blue color, and that's going to give it a little bit of a green twang to it, and it's also going to make it have a little bit more dimension. And to apply those colors, I'm going to just go in with my finger. Now before I go in and add the color Kaleidoscope, I am going to go in and blend and reapply until I get the desired color that I'm looking for, but also so that everything is seamless. Now that it's blended pretty much the way I want it, I might have to go back in a little bit more. I'm going to add that Kaleidoscope color sort of right in the center there. I am going to go in on the upper brow bone area part just to blend out some of the harsh edges that we have where some of those brown and warm shades are. I'm going to go in with this top shade here, which is a nice cream color, and that color is Canvas, and I'm going to go in with the fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to blend that into the brown just to take away some of the harsh edges. Then for upper brow bone highlight, I'm going to go back into the Dream Street palette. I'm going to use one final color from there. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the color Moony, which is this really nice pink highlighting shade, and I'm going to pop that on the upper brow bone area. To do so, I'm going in with the Luxie 131 mini angled brush. To bring everything together, I am going to put some blue on the very inner corner, and I am going to bring it down to my lower lash line right in the center where the blue is up on the eyelid. And I'm going to actually use this Stila product to help me out with that. This is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the color Freedom. It's a really, really pastel blue aqua shade, and it's pretty much exactly what I have on my eye right now. Zoom you guys in just so you can see what this looks like. So to pop that on the very inner corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this product and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to go in with this brush here. This is a small Luxie 141 mini round brush. It's a really, really dense pencil brush. It's kind of short and stubby. I'm going to pop some of this color right into the inner corner, and I'm very quickly going to go over it with those two colors from the palette, so Kaleidoscope and then the color Hello. And I'm going to pop that on the inner corner to set it down with those powders. And that is really blue, so I'm going to lighten it up with Kaleidoscope. And then I'm going to do the very same thing on the lower lash line, but I'm going to go in with really just a light hand. And I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line just a hair more, and I'm going to go back in with this Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in with that nice transition shade, that light tan brown color, Shooting Star, and just smoke out the lower lash line a little bit. And then to bring everything together, I am going to pop on a generous coat of mascara. And of course, I'm going to be going in with the Clinique High Lengths Mascara, and I'm going to pop that on quickly. So now that the eyes are done, I zoomed you guys back out. We're going to finish off the face with some setting spray and some highlighter. Today for highlight, I'm going to go in, I really don't know what I want to do. I have this Aurora Glow Kit, which I really like, and it has this like blue shade in it, but I do have places to go, and I don't know if this is going to show up really blue, so I'm not sure that I want to use that. I think I'm going to go in with this today. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Bar, and this is in the color, I actually don't even know what color this is, but it's like a gold highlighting bar. I believe it's from the Zodiac collection or Zodiac thing that they had going on. So I'm going to use that as highlight today. And to do so, I'm going to go in with this nice fluffy highlighting brush. This is the Farah 35F brush. Now that we are glowing, I'm gonna pop on some lips. I did yesterday use more of like a pinky lip color, but I think for this look I am gonna go a little bit more nude. No surprise. So I'm actually gonna mix two different lippies. This is the Colourpop. I think this is an ultra satin lip, but the label's all rubbed off. In Aquarius Satin. It's a really nice nudie pink color. And to top that off, I'm gonna go in with the Boxum Lipgloss. This is the color Hot Toddy, which is also a really nice pinky color. My lips are very glossy and they are a little bit overlined, and I hope I don't get lipstick on my teeth. And I'm not really someone who overlines their lips. I just don't really, it doesn't look good on me. Okay, to set everything down and finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna do a couple of spritzes of that. So that completes this look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye guys!